Hi there, I'm Samantha Stacy, and welcome to my Vanquish review. Vanquish is a two-in-one software suite application that will be launched on August 18th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time by John Armstrong. Now, I'll be explaining all about this new product and the awesome bonuses that come with it. Should you decide at any moment to purchase Vanquish, just click the link in my description box below that will take you through to my bonus page that will show this, and you'll see several red buttons, and clicking on any of these red buttons you can access Vanquish and pick up the bonuses that I'll be telling you about right now, as well as the bonuses from the vendor Jono himself. Now you'd have to do this before the countdown timer goes to 0, so you have about 3 days. So quickly, Vanquish promises to help you to drive penny click traffic from YouTube, and it gives you proven to convert high ticket offers for monetization and done for you funnel pages built in with Mike Filsaime's breakthrough GroovePages software. So Mike Filsaime is Jono's partner on this project. They are both launching Vanquish together, and I'm just gonna quickly explain to you my bonuses so that you can see what a good offer this really is. So bonus number 1 is access to the JavaScript Commission Bot Pro, and this is an app by Jono himself, and it drives traffic through Instagram and Twitter. So that would be very useful along with your Vanquish application. Bonus number 2 is Gemini, another brainchild of Jono, and Gemini is an autoresponder, so it will help you to organize your emails. You can add videos, you can do different things with it, and this is a pro version as well. This has a value of $46.95, and JavaScript Commission Bot Pro is valued at $427.95. So wow, huge value. Bonus number 3, valued at $344.95, is Insurgency. Now this will give you access to the license rights, and it basically teaches you Facebook ads. So this is an awesome value, awesome course that you should really consider if you want to grow your business with Vanquish. And bonus number 4 is a hack where you get over 2,500 email swipes that you can copy paste, valued at $267. This will help you because you're going to be receiving lots of emails with the funnel that is set up in Vanquish, and this will teach you how to make more money with email marketing. And bonus number 5 is the special bonus by the vendor. So all the vendor bonuses are included in bonus number 5. All right, valued at $197. So I'm going to quickly look at the vendor bonuses that we can find at the bottom of the sales page. Oh, my page just jumped. All right, here we go. So the vendor bonuses are down here. All right, so bonus number 1 is Jono's YouTube ads course, and it will teach you how to generate insane return on your investment by using a relatively new traffic source from YouTube ads that all major marketers are using and profiting from them in 2020. Bonus number 2 is a $90 free ad spend, how to kickstart your penny click campaigns with $90 of free ad spend on the house. And bonus number 3 is Jono's Bing ads course. yet another underutilized ads platform that is generating crazy returns for marketers in 2020. So I'm just going to go up on the sales page while we're here. I'm going to also check out the members area of Vanquish. So this is the sales page. So here we see Mike Filsaime. He's one of the marketers that is behind a lot of the softwares that are leading today, and he's the one who has teamed up with Jono, so they are both featured here. There's lots of information on the sales page that you can check out in your own time as well. All right, so this is a business in a box. So it is simple. It's giving you the traffic. It's showing you how to place your ads. The training is rather simple. The video training that I'll show you in a few minutes. All right. You can effortlessly turn more traffic into commissions. You get a massively unfair advantage over the competition, and it becomes easier to profit than ever before. All right. So I'm just gonna jump over to the members area, and in the app you can see he has a welcome video here and a walkthrough. Okay. Then it shows you how to access the app right there. Access the GroovePages. So the GroovePages are free to use. You don't need to pay for this. It comes with it to build your funnels and sell digital products. All right. Then there is he explains in this video right here how to get your $90 free ad spend. All right. Then down here you can see the opt-in page links. All right, so these are the pages that you can import to your GroovePages. All right, that one is from Ministry of Freedom. This one is from Wi-Fi Profits, and this one is from John Crestani. All right, so then he includes the YouTube ads for Ministry of Freedom. Okay, so you can click on these and you'll see which of the ads will be converting. Sorry, which of the ads you can use in your funnel. Right, there are quite a few of them. 5. And then there are the YouTube ads for the other high-ticket affiliate programs that come with this offer. He also includes a video on advanced training, and then there are the upgrades. All right, so let's look at the pricing. So the front-end cost of the product is $12. Let me just double check the double. There we go, my bonus. So the price here is $12.97. Okay, and with this you access the powerful Vanquish software and training modules. And then the first upsell is Vanquish Pro at $67. It also includes another standalone fully automated traffic software plus winning methods for driving free traffic from both Instagram and TikTok. All right. Upsell number 2 is Vanquish Done For You campaigns at $97. Tried, tested, and proven to convert. So this upgrade packs in 10 proven commission-generating campaigns from Jono's personal collection. And these are evergreen offers, meaning that they don't expire. These offers will be here till the end of this year and next year. So these funnels can be there running and making money for you all the time. So in upsell number 2, these done for you campaigns that have been proven, they have made Jono over $75,000, and they are plug and play, simple to use. All right. Upsell number 3, 3 times your done for you high ticket funnels plus limitless traffic, $197. It's a massive value again and a legit shortcut to results for action takers. So you get to build custom audiences using Jono's traffic by having your pixel on his sales page for a full year. You also get pre-approved access to promote 3 high-ticket offers that pay between $4.97 and $9.97 per sale, and all the selling is done for them via automated webinar. And upsell number 4, it includes 4 apps resellers license bundle. So you get the resale rights to Vanquish, JavaScript Commission Bot, Insurgency, and Gemini. Users get to sell these as their own products and take away the commissions through the whole funnel. Okay, so these are the OTOs or the upsells. And here are some of the benefits that you may be interested in getting. So this is very beginner friendly. You don't need a lot of tech skills or experience to do this. And there's a step-by-step setup guide included, as I showed you over in the members area here. Okay. There's the video training that's over here that will teach you how to set up and how to do it. It's fully explained. There are not a lot of videos to go through, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. Okay. Other benefits include you get fast results. A lot of people working in online business seem discouraged because they're just not getting results, or it takes so long to get so little results. So the beta testers report making commissions on their very first day. So if you're looking for a quick turnaround or a quick return on your investment, you can get that with Vanquish. And there's lifestyle income potential as well. People are making 4-figure daily profits with this, and it's so easy for anyone to do. So now I'm going to show you how Jono himself demonstrates how to use Vanquish, how to search out videos that are popular and can be easily monetized. So he's the creator of this software, and he's the one who knows everything about it, as he so rightly has pointed out. And I'm going to let him explain to you how the software works.
That's another thing that we have inside of Vanquish. So you go through to the YouTube section here, okay, and we could go and search for example, fitness or money, and then this will go through YouTube and it will go and find all of the videos in YouTube which are monetizable, meaning that we can place our ads on top of these videos. Now it will also filter out, so if we go make money online, okay, it will also filter out the videos where other advertisers are placing their ads on top of, and videos that are very competitive when it comes to advertising, because when a lot of people are placing ads on a certain video, the cost per click is going to go up, because AdWords, YouTube ads works on a bidding strategy. So whoever pays the highest amount gets to have their video placed on top of this person's video. So with the Vanquish software, it will find the videos that have the least amount of competition, and what that means for you is you're going to pay the least amount of money to advertise over the top of these videos, yet still get targeted videos that are getting a lot of views and a lot of good engagement. So the next thing is to go and get your done for you YouTube ads. So we have ones here for Ministry of Freedom, we have ones for John Cristani's SAS, and then there's advanced training showing you how to place these ads on top of these videos that you've selected using the Vanquish software, and how to go and connect all of the dots so that this whole money-making system is going to be your own, and it's going to be set up on your behalf. You plug these videos in, these video ads in, you use penny clicks, and you take out a lot of money, similar to what I've been seeing inside of my Stripe account like I showed you earlier. So I hope this helps to give you an idea of what Vanquish is all about. We've tried to make the whole process as easy as possible and as simple as possible and as done for you as possible, using as many softwares as we can to ease the whole situation so that literally anybody can make money using this high ticket system. So I look forward to seeing you inside of the members area. Take care.
So there you have it, a great explanation about how Vanquish is going to help you to make a lot of money online. And just to remind you that this bonus page, these bonuses will expire when the countdown timer gets to 0. So click the link in my description and it will take you to my page where you will be able to click any of these red buttons to purchase Vanquish and receive the mega bonuses that are a part of this offer. So thank you so much for watching my review video, and I'll see you next time.